Hello friends, have you ever faced a situation where you have needed to convert a PowerPoint slide to a MS Word file, or oppositely a MS Word file to a PowerPoint file? If so, then this video is for you. So without any further delay, let's move on to the video. The video has three sections. In the first part of the video, I'll be discussing about how you can convert a PowerPoint slide to a MS Word file. So let us now open a PowerPoint slide. This is our PowerPoint slide. Okay, so we will convert this PowerPoint slide to MS Word file. So first of all, we have to save it as a PDF document. So here you have to simply select PDF and save it. So you can see the PDF file which has been converted from the PowerPoint slide. This is in the PDF format. Now we want to convert this PDF file, so close it. Next, open any Microsoft Word document. Here, go to the file and open. Click open. Go to folders. Now select the folder where you have saved your PDF file. I have saved it here. Here you can see this is our PDF file of the PowerPoint slide. Now simply click over it and click OK. So here is the MS Word file of the PowerPoint file. All the text has been copied in the MS Word format. So this is how you can convert a PowerPoint slide to a MS Word document. Now here you may be required to change it formatting like layout. You may need to change it to portrait. You may need to change the font style, font size, everything. You will do it accordingly. So this is how you can convert a PowerPoint slide to a MS Word file. Now let us close this and minimize this file. Next, we are going to show you how you can extract all the text from a PowerPoint slide to a text file. So for this you have to go to View, then go to Outline View. Here simply press Ctrl A to select everything, then Ctrl C to copy all the text. Next you have to create a text document. Simply paste everything here, Ctrl V. So all the text have been copied from the PowerPoint file into this text document. As you can see, all the text have been copied. In the last part of the video, I'm going to show you how you can convert a MS Word file into a PowerPoint slide. So open any MS Word file. So here you have to select two types of heading. You have to select your title in heading 1 like this. Select every your title in the heading 1 like this. Okay. Now select a part of your text like this. Go to select here, select all text with similar formatting. So rest of the text are selected, and now click heading 2. So this file is now ready for converting into a PowerPoint slide. For this, you have to click here and click more commands, and you have to go to all commands. Here in all commands, you have to look for send to Microsoft PowerPoint. Just look for it. So here it is, your send to Microsoft PowerPoint, and next edit. Since as you can see, I have already added it, so I'm not going to add it anymore. You have to select it and add, click the add button here and then press OK. After that, you will find the icon here. This icon actually convert your Word file into a Microsoft PowerPoint. So just simply click this icon. So as you can see, your MS Word file is converting into Microsoft PowerPoint. So here is our PowerPoint file. As you can see, all the text have been converted into PowerPoint format. So this is how you can convert a MS Word file into a PowerPoint file. So hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please subscribe my channel, give it a thumbs up and share it to others. Thank you very much for being with me.